Assalamualaikum 6th class. As you know that we have started exercise 2D and today we are going to solve question number 7. Evaluate each of the following. Students, here are given 4 questions of same category, same type, so we can solve 1 or 2 questions, then you can solve them easily. So question number 1, 14.72 multiplied by 1.2. Here I have written the statement 14.72 multiplied by 1.2. This is in horizontal form. First of all, we have to write in vertical form. Student, first you have to know that point should be under the point. This is a multiplication. Clear? Now, multiplication you know very well. 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 and 1 9, 2 1s are 2. You know very well how to multiply. 1 2s are 2, 1 7s are 7, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Now add them. 4 as it is, 4 plus 2 6, 9 plus 7 16, 1 carry, 2 plus 4 6 and 1 7, 1. How we can put the sign of point? Students, take an arrow from upper point to the lower point. You can see. Now count the values inside the arrow. 1 2 3. From right side, count the digit of your answer. 3 digits. 1 2 3. Put the point. This is your answer. Too much easy questions, so you can solve them very easily. Now you can see here is given 130.4 multiplied by 0.15, 0.25 multiplied by 1.96, 0.27 multiplied by 0.08. Which question I can solve? So I will solve question number C, so you can easily solve B and D. I have written the statement. So first one 0.27 and second one 0.08. So point should be under the point 0.08 multiplication. So 8 7s are 56. 6 5 carry, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 5 21, 1 20, 8 0 0. So when we multiply any digit to 0, it will be 0. Now multiplication 0 7 0, 0 multiplied by 2 0, 0 with 0. Just for your easiness, I am multiplying the 0 0, 0 to 0 and 0 0. Now plus 6 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 as it is, 0 and 0. Now how to put the sign of point? So take from point to second one. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Students, from your right side take the point and from your right side put the point. 1 2 3 4. So answer is 0.0216. So you can now easily solve this question number 7. So look at now question number 8. This is find the value of each of the following. In above question there is a multiplication method, and in question number 8 this is the division method. 0.81 divided by 0.3. Clear? Now okay, 0.81 divided by 0.3, it means that 0.81 divided by, this is a fraction, 0.3. This is the fraction. Students, for our easiness, I just shift the point. If we shift the point of the numerator, we must shift the point of denominator in the same way. So I am going to shift the point here and its point here. When I shift the point of numerator, then we must shift the point of denominator. It means 8 0.1 एंड 3 का पॉइंट इधर आएगा तो वो सिंपल 3. It will be simple 3. Now I can solve it very easily. So 8.1 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 to the 6 and 3 3 the 9. We have to take any digit which is equal to first digit or less than first digit. So 3 to the 6, 2 and 1. Just forget the point. 3 ones are 3, 3 7 the 21. Clear? 3 7 the 21. And point is here because after one digit. Clear? This is very easy. You can solve it very easily. So next question. 1.32 divided by 0.21. You can shift it here and this point to here. Clear? I can show you. You have to do it by yourself. 1.32 divided by 0.12. 1.32 divided by 0.12. Shift the point of it and this one. Numerator and the denominator. 13.2 divided by 1.2. Clear? Now also you can do it. 1.32 divided by 1.2. Shift it here and this will be here. It will be here. 132 divided by 12. You can do it. Clear? Now next one. 3.426 divided by 0.06. Shift 2 points here and 2 points here. Clear? This will be 342.6 divided by 6. Clear? Now 4.35 divided by 1.5. Shift the point here. That will be here. 43.5 divided by 15. You can solve these questions very easily. Clear? Now look at the question number 9. Evaluate each of the following. Very easy question because these are just adding and subtracting. So 4.3 minus into minus 3.9. 4.3 minus. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. So 4.3 minus minus always plus in multiplication and 3.9. Now both are adding. So 4.3 plus 3.9. Add them. 9 plus 3. 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 3 7 and 1 8. 8.2 is our answer. Clear? Now you can see next question. 2.8 plus minus into 1.5. It will be 2.8 plus into minus 1.5. Very easy. 2.8 plus minus minus 1.5. Now write it in vertical form. Minus 1.5. 5 out of 8. 3. 1 out of 2. 1. 1.3 is our answer. Next, similarly, you have to do it. Put the sign with the which is coming with the greater value. Both are subtraction or adding questions. Clear? So do them at home, practice them very carefully. Thank you so much.